Looking at a 1947 Chevy pickup truck, dually. This thing was heavy. It's the complete frame, chassis, motor, transmission, everything except the cap. It's got the old school big tires on it. It has the carburetor, its transmission. It's a full it has some kind of winch system. Looks heavy. Everything on here is heavy. Used to have some kind of like dump roll bed, whatever, on it. The sun is glaring this way, so I'll come over here and let you see how big this bad boy is. Hanging off the trailer, barely fit on there.